Fertilized eggs arrive from breeder farms and are collected and cleaned and transported in temperature-controlled vehicles to the hatchery. Eggs are inspected by automated scanning, and healthy eggs are placed into incubation machines with precise temperature, humidity, airflow, and rotation control. Healthy eggs are placed into these incubation machines, where precise temperature and humidity are maintained. The racks then begin their gentle rotation. Step 3. Eggs remain in incubators while systems monitor conditions, rotation continues, and technicians perform candling checks. Step 4. Eggs are transferred to hatching trays and moved to the hatcher machines. Utilizing robotic precision, the eggs are gently lifted from the incubation trays and repositioned into hatching trays with wider spacing. How millions of chickens are born every day inside this mega hatchery factory. Chicks are dried and fluffed with warm airflow, then move through automated sorting and inspection for health and quality. After being gently dried and fluffed by warm air, the healthy chicks move through automated sorting and inspection along the soft-walled conveyor. Healthy chicks are counted, vaccinated if required, and placed into ventilated transport crates. Chicks are loaded into climate-controlled delivery trucks and transported to poultry farms.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.